Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the simplest building blocks: letters, numbers, and punctuation on your keyboard. Choose an axis. Horizontal faces are read left to right, while vertical faces stack visually. Once chosen, assemble 2 to 6 symbols to keep shapes recognizable. Too many characters blur the image. Make sure to test in the app you'll use because font and spacing change appearance. Practice with eyes closed to feel rhythm, then tweak spacing until the emoji reads instantly. You now refine the emoji by adding detail like eye characters or asterisk, and mouths such as or slash. Start with the core face, then layer accessories, hats with, tears with, or slash, so the overall silhouette stays clear. Once done, use parentheses or brackets as outlines to contain the design. This improves legibility in variable fonts. Make sure to preview in the chat or post field because spacing and alignment may need small shifts to preserve the intended expression. You finish by testing the emoji where you'll send it, messaging apps, social media, or email because display engines differ. Once satisfied, create a text shortcut or store it in clipboard history for quick reuse. If the face breaks or looks wrong, check spacing first. Remove or add a single space or swap similar symbols. Use versus L, 0 versus O to restore shape. One key tip: copy into a plain text editor to ensure invisible formatting like smart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.